I will start with the inner portion and making the flower. I am using the same cone as I worked before, the gold 3D outliner. You can use any kind of different outliner if you have that. I am doing this in the day 2 so that my all other cone work is already dried. Don't do it when the cone work is wet because that will destroy the whole painting. You can't always control your hand. Definitely it's going to touch your cone work and it's going to smudge that. So always give 1 day gap and then do it the other cone work. Very gently I am making the flower. You can see the top of the flower has very difficult curvature shape. Now it is time for a mistake. Yes, everyone is human, so we all do mistakes. You can see how the cone work is smudged in that step. You don't need to worry. Just take a cotton bud or a cotton sheet and just gently remove the cone work part. As it is removed right now, so I can start doing the cone work once again. So if there is mistake, don't worry, it's normal to everyone. Just ignore it and try to correct as the best manner possible. Here I am leaving one petal and I am doing the alternate petal because then it will be dried up completely and we will get a more smudge free look to the petals. Now my 4 alternate petals are dried up. We are now moving forward to making the other petals. As the before petals are dried up, there will be no smudge while doing the cone work.
Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Varli painting, Fad painting, Minakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
I am rotating the canvas at the best manner possible so that I can get a clear looking petals, and all my petals borders are equal in length and size. At this point of time my cone is almost finished, so you can see how much effort I have to give, and believe me, your hand will start paining very much after doing this. Making a single course consists of a huge amount of time and effort, so a quite little review and a follow back will be amazing. Now this time for the triangular Jharoka design. For that, first I will make a floral design, and after that there will be two sets of leaf in each section. This flower looks exactly similar to the outer border flower, just it's the small size. If you have any question at this point of time, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. Now in the center part is semi-dry. I will add a stone and just pressing it to give a embossed kind of look. Be very gentle and very patient while doing this. See how beautiful our painting is looking right now. Let's now complete making the flowers. Now let's start filling up the inner petals. We will make a 3-petal flower followed by some leaves and a bud. Let's do it and see how beautiful it is coming up. Hope now you have exact idea what should be inside each petal. So it will be a 3-petal flower, then 4 leaves followed by 1 bud. Rotate the canvas so that you can draw it in your preferred perspective. With that being said, let's now complete and I will come back. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on Enroll Now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.
If your cone work is not doing perfectly or also your petals are not sharp enough like me, don't worry, it's completely possible. Mine was not very good at the first time when I do it. It comes with practice, so the more you practice the better you can draw. So don't worry if you are making bad, because when we'll color it will look as gorgeous as mine. So just try to draw and do your best what you have. Let's now have a closer look to see how the painting is look like. You can see the details and the 3D effect the Meenakari Jaipur painting is giving. It's really awesome. The main technique here is the same. Press a little, then press more, feel the body, give the volume and press very little and just release with a pointy tip. Now we will complete the triangular part with some dot shape. We want to make leaves, but there is no space, and because of that I am using a dot. Now in the gap of each petal of the flowers I am giving a dot each. It's looking so beautiful. It's just filling the gap with some fillers.